Okay, so I'm going to show you how to annotate on images in Notes. I'm doing it on my phone because I can use my finger and the pencil doesn't. Without a pencil, it doesn't work on the iPad. So let's say the first thing you do in a new note is you press the camera icon and you could scan something in. I would think if you're talking about a website, take a screenshot of the website, which is you hold the home button and I think the button on the right together to take the screenshot. Kids will know how to do that. Or I can choose a photo. Let's do that. So here's a photo from my library. I click add. And it's a little confusing. You think that you would be able to just start annotating it straight here, but you actually have to press down on it, and then you see the little pen icon here. And now I can choose one of these pens and start drawing or highlighting like that. And that's basically all there is to it. I can go in, of course, and erase if I want to. Choose different colors. This is on the phone. It'd be easier interface on the iPad. So hopefully that helps. Good luck.